Hi, my name is Karan and I built this cheap autonomous robot. It got cheapest motor, a motor driver, MPU, ultrasonic sensor, batteries and an ESP32. What can it do? It can move in straight line, take precise turn, move to a fixed distance, all without encoders or expensive sensors. It can remember its path, backtrack it, or even finds the shortest path to come back home, all with just using robotic concepts and maths. It can map its surrounding, create a path map, and control via Wi-Fi. These projects help you understand mechanical, electronics, and clean programming. If you want to build this, all the things that you need are available on my shop, including files, codes, circuit diagrams, pin diagrams, and everything. Also, there is a free YouTube course to understand all the concept behind it. Visit newerexploration.com now and build something that will lead to an engineering innovation. If you are a student who is interested in engineering or robotics, join our next lab and start your journey with us today. That's it. Go, ciao, ciao, ciao.